Hi guys, Omar here with the iPad Pro, this year's iPad Pro 2018, and also the Apple Pencil. Before I forget, subscribe and also hit the bell icon to be notified of any new videos that I post. Following on from my previous video of how to pair the pencil to the iPad, there may be some times when the pencil won't actually pair. So there's a few things that you can do. First of all, if you are having trouble with the pencil pairing, first of all, obviously make sure that you're getting it right on the magnetic sensor and making sure that you get this little pop-up to say whatever the battery is. If it still doesn't show up, I'll definitely restart the iPad. There may be some updates or whatever, so just restart, and that may help. And then after it's restarted, try connecting it up again. Also, the other thing that you can do is go into the settings menu, Bluetooth, and then make sure that the Bluetooth is on. Obviously, if it's not on, it's not going to pair. And then the other thing that you can do is go on the eye here. So if you've already had a pencil, or maybe you've lost this pencil, you've already got a pencil paired up, go on the eye and do forget device, because that may be conflicting. I'm not sure whether you can have two pencils on the same iPad, but that may be an issue for you. So if that's the case, then definitely go on the eye, forget device, and then pair it up all over again. The other thing is that if you don't see like a pair, like a pairing and all that kind of stuff, then just make sure that it's charged, because obviously if it's not charged, it's not going to be working. So what I would do is, if you take the pencil out of the box when you buy it and it has zero charge, let it charge for a few minutes. When it has, about maybe I guess about 5% battery or something, then go ahead, lift it off, and then attach it again, and it should pair. And the last thing is, essentially, if you still don't see anything and you've tried all of those things, then pretty much there's nothing that you can do. You might as well just take it to an Apple store, or call Apple support, and they might be able to talk you through doing something else. So that was just a quick look at what to do if your pencil, your Apple Pencil, does not pair with your iPad Pro. Thanks for watching, guys. Do check out other videos in this playlist, and I'll see you in the next one.